Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Roulette Fallout New Vegas. Start at a casino roulette table and confirm the buy-in, table limits, and payout ratios before you bet. Place chips on inside or outside bets according to your risk tolerance and bankroll. Watch the wheel spin, collect payouts, and bank winnings to protect your caps. I'll guide you through simple bet types, how to read odds, and practical tips to keep playing without blowing your stash. This segment explains the main roulette bet types so you can choose wisely at the table. Inside bets target specific numbers for bigger payouts, while outside bets like red or even provide steadier returns. I'll describe single number, split, street, corner, and column bets and show when each makes sense for your bankroll. Use a mix of bets to manage risk and enjoy longer play without depleting your caps. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker to set the mood while you spin and celebrate wins. It adds music, timers, and voice control without interrupting play. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily, and if you do pick it up, enjoy the sounds. Now let's get back to the video. Treat roulette like entertainment with rules for your bankroll to avoid costly mistakes. Decide a loss limit and a win goal before you sit down, then stick to them and walk away when reached. Size your bets to protect caps and avoid chasing losses after bad streaks. Small, consistent wagers help you learn patterns and extend playtime, while sensible cashing out preserves resources for quests or better gear elsewhere in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.